Worried Instagram is tracking your location? You're not alone. But the good news is you can turn it off. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to disable location sharing on Instagram for both iPhone and Android users. First, open your Instagram app and log into your account. Head over to your profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the settings menu. Scroll down and find Device Permissions under the Your App and Media section. Here, you can control what Instagram can access. Tap on Location and you'll see a note explaining that disabling this setting will stop Instagram from using your GPS. While it might still estimate your location through your IP address, turning off GPS gives you much more privacy. Tap Update Device Settings. This will redirect you to your phone settings for Instagram. There, select Location and choose never to fully block Instagram from accessing your GPS. If you don't see the Device Permissions option in Instagram, just go directly into your phone settings, find Instagram under your apps, and adjust the location permission manually. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.